Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Patriot Bank account type for small business owners. When I was first starting out with my small business, navigating all the banking options was genuinely overwhelming. I chose Patriot Bank, and based on my experience, their small business checking account is hands down the best starting point for most small business owners. Here's why I found it to be the most practical and educational choice. First, let's talk about the fees. As a small business, every dollar counts. The main draw for me was the ability to avoid the monthly maintenance fee. You can typically get the fee waived by maintaining a reasonable minimum average daily collected balance. In my case, hitting that balance was totally manageable once I was operating consistently, which meant I wasn't wasting money on preventable fees. Second, consider the transaction volume. Patriot Bank small business checking account usually gives you a solid number of free monthly transactions. I had 200 included when I opened my account. This is perfect for a business that's active but not high volume yet. For those initial months, I never had to worry about extra transaction fees. It gives you room to grow without immediately penalizing you for increasing business activity. Third, the accessibility of their digital banking tools made a huge difference in my day-to-day operations. This includes online and mobile banking, plus mobile deposit capture. Being able to deposit a check right from my phone instead of running to a branch saved me a huge amount of time, allowing me to focus more on my business. If your business grows quickly and you find yourself constantly exceeding the transaction limits, or if you need more complex services like remote deposit capture for a high volume of checks, you might eventually need to upgrade to their standard business checking account, which offers an earnings credit to offset higher fees. But for a true small business or a startup, the small business checking account is structured to give you maximum benefit with minimum cost and complexity. So, to keep it simple, start with a small business checking account. Focus on maintaining the balance required to waive the monthly fee and utilize the included free transactions and digital tools. It provides a strong, low-cost foundation for managing your business finances. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.